I bought a broken car with some like serious issues, and I've never worked on a car before. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I figured I'll just like modify all of it, like the whole, just like all of it. But I think before I drop in a fully forged engine, I'm gonna make sure it's not gonna fall apart first. The first thing I want to do is deal with the rust inside this like front subframe mount point, which requires welding. However, I have never welded before, so feel free to judge me as I try and figure out how to stick bits of metal together. I'm stupid as fuck, because I've been waiting like... I bought this welder on Friday. I didn't end up using it on Friday because I wanted to record the first time that I welded, but I forgot that that's what I was doing. It is now Wednesday, by the way, and I already did my first weld, which is on a pretty rinky-dinky setup, but you know, it's a weld, right? I think it goes all the way through because it's like, it looks hot there, I think. I don't really know what I'm doing, so fuck yeah. You know, I noticed something weird, right? It's got a big, thick, juicy cable, and it's rated for 15 amps of current. Plug is rated at 10 amps. It's a 10 amp plug. 15 amp ones are supposed to have a really thick earthing pin, so you can't put them in the wrong socket, but it's good for me though, because I don't have any 15 amp sockets. Who needs to do things the safe, intended way anyway? Little snail trails on a piece of wood is great, but we're going to try and actually weld two pieces together. I am a firm believer of showing your successes and your failures, so I wonder how quickly this shit's gonna break off. Yeah, pretty quick. Not perfect, but it is better than last time, that is for sure. Let's see if we can snap it in half. Let's see if we fare any better this time around. Actually, I might take a photo of it first, for memories and things. Oh. Oh. Shit. Ah. Come on. Well, that is much better than last time. Did rip off this side, but the rest of it, I mean... Very hot. Doesn't look very shiny because I dunked it in water immediately, but did anyone tell me anything about that based on the video? How bad is that? I tried to get fancy with it on this side, but I burnt through. We're gonna do our first actual project here. I'm doing like a side mount license plate holder for my girlfriend's Miata. So I got all the bits that I need here, minus one of them apparently. I don't know where the fuck that's gone, but oh, I'm stupid. That's what I'm welding. It's underneath. It's underneath there, and then this will get welded onto the spacer, and then this gets welded onto the end of that. And then the license plate will go. I'm also going to put like a little support beam thingy, you'll see. Oh, also, upgrades. Auto darkening welding helmet. That is the gist of it. The part that I'm holding mounts into the car, and then that holds the license plate. That's about all there is to it. Normally I would just push it. It's really not that hard to move, but I'm just... Stop there. There she is, in all her, not a lot of glory right now, but... No spiders. No spiders, that's good. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like doing that. I don't like doing that.
I don't trust that jack at all, because I rebuilt it. And I don't trust myself that much. Oh, I should probably have loosened them first. Yep, I can just loosen them by hand. Thank you, previous me. Yeah, they're already off. The fuck? What? Why is that so? Am I being stupid? Oh. That'll do it. No nuts on the top. That makes a lot of sense. One wheel. Gone. Huh. Nice. I gotta sit down. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, that's another thing I need to do. Remove the brake lines. Oh yeah, should have done it more centered in hindsight. That's not going to fit between there though. Subframe is off. Over here. Ended up taking me absolutely ages, but we got it off. This is how it ended up looking. But that's why we've got a donor one. I didn't even know how much this cost. It was like 20 bucks maybe. Sandblaster with some sand out of like a fucking pile of dirt that I spent a while like with a household sieve getting it kind of fine. So we're just gonna try this, try and get rid of some of the rust on the inside. I got new sand, but it's wet, so it is now currently baking into the oven. Very nice. Anyway, it's looking pretty clean, but I'm just going to clean it up the last little bit with this. This is the brace piece. It fits the shape of the thing. You'll see it in a minute. Oh fuck, that's a big puddle. Fuck. That's not what I want to do. Epic fail. I've completely burnt through that, so I'm gonna have to weld a plate over the top of it. To be honest, I didn't even 100% understand how I ended up here. I didn't even remember welding half of that shit on there, but apparently I did. To redeem myself, so I don't feel like a total failure at welding, I did this earlier today. It's the next day again, and I hated it so much that I ended up just straight up, I just did another one. This one, not so bad, thankfully. I'm just gonna show you the front welds. Just take my word for it when I say they all look like this. Okay? They all look like this. Not perfect, but...
I mentioned at the beginning that I've got a fair bit planned for this car. The main thing is though, it's getting a fully forged 3S GTE, and I'm aiming for about 300 kilowatts, which for an engine and rebuild like this is like a really safe number. By the end of it, it should weigh almost exactly 1,200 kilos without a driver in it. So it'll be pretty quick, to say the least. Really though, I'm just trying to recreate this video of another absolutely mad full-forged 3S GTE.